just a little review. I bought this reusable Dolce Gusto coffee capsule thingy. You can use the mug and bean or whatever filtered coffee, ground filtered coffee in here. So you don't really need a coffee machine with a filter, like a filter coffee machine. So what you do is, okay, take out this that you would normally put your capsule in. Okay, you actually save a lot of money like this. Okay, this would go into it like this, and the hole would be there, because usually when you put the coffee pod in to your machine, it would normally pierce the hole over there. So there's a hole already. Okay, you fill this up with your filter coffee. Okay, so once it's filled up, okay, like that, close the lid, securely like that. Make sure that this little hole is over there, like I said. And what you're going to do is you're going to slip it in. Adjust your setting. I normally just adjust my setting to, it goes up to, let me show you, goes up to 3, 6, 7. I normally just make mine on 6 for this cup, for the size of the cup over there, small cup. Okay, put that down. And voila, filter coffee. And that is the little pod that you buy on Wish. It's called the Dolce Gusto reusable capsule.